apparently, this is what you do if you get a new scooter for your birthday and you're all the way ready for school. Hey, have you brushed your teeth?
No.
You haven't?
No.
Have you eaten breakfast?
No.
Have you done anything but ride your scooter?
I got dressed.
Well, that's good, but you didn't get shoes on. That thing's pretty smooth, pretty sweet. You'd hate for it to get taken away for not doing what you're supposed to in the morning. I would. All right, come on in. Let's get you ready for school.
Can I put this in the front so I can keep it?
Yeah, go ahead. Don't let Mom see you without shoes on, she'll kill you. That is blurry. That's better. When I decide that I'm gonna go on a guy's trip, there's a lot of work that goes into it. I have to take that trailer and prep it and fill it full of all of the required goods. Machines, drinks, gas, helmets, you name it. There's a long laundry list. But not only that, I also need to make sure that my wife and kids are taken care of before I leave them. So we went and bought a lot of groceries. And I don't know if you noticed that little guy right there, but that's a watermelon. Watermelon is like starting to come back in season, and that's exciting. So we've got a lot of groceries to take inside. Hey, this thing said seedless on it. Doesn't it say seedless on the label?
Seedless. Those are not seeds.
There are black seeds in there.
There's not. There's
a
only
couple.
little itty bitty white ones.
I prefer with seeds because they taste better, but still.
No, I think that's a myth. See, that's like hardly even a solid black one. Did you get a phone? Totally seedless. Let me taste it and I'll tell you.
If you avoid the seeds. You don't look at the seeds, it's seedless.
Let me taste that. Come on. I'm gonna taste that. 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 Give me that. I'm not sure what's happening right now. I'm gonna reach my hand up and and you're not gonna slap my hand. Boy, you know, yeah, that's right.
Yes, sir.
Mmm. It's delicious. Whatever it is, it's delicious. I don't care.
Hey, bud, where's the garbage can I told you to grab?
Mmm.
You got a direction following problem, my friend.
Look at that little puppy. She wants a piece of watermelon. Today in kindergarten, they are celebrating what letter of the alphabet?
F.
And so what are you wearing?
Fancy.
Fancy clothes. How ironic. Yesterday he's like, what are those things that you put around babies' necks when they eat? Do you remember what they're called?
Bibs.
Bibs. We made a bib. Didn't we? Because we don't have bibs in our house anymore.
Because they're all out.
Because I'm all out of babies. That's what we're all out of. I'm all out of babies. Lean over your plate so you don't get your pants dirty. Your fancy pants.
Please not make that voice, Mom.
What voice? The fancy pants. That voice?
Yeah.
All right, mister, you want some cologne? Do you want me to spray it or do you want to spray it? You want to spray it? Okay. That's my favorite cologne on Dad. Find the hole right there and then point it down to your neck. You got it?
It's long.
Oh, there's actually a lock on it. Is there? That's my favorite cologne on Dad. Ooh. Oh, that's good. That's good.
I just think so.
I noticed. You're going to smell so handsome.
Which one did you put on?
The bomb one thing.
That's a good one, bud. You're gonna smell musky like you're a lumberjack.
Joel is packing up, leaving for the weekend, and I'm sorry, but this little note that just fell out of his pocket literally makes me cry. This is his little checklist to make sure that I was set up for the whole weekend. He didn't show it to me. He didn't say anything. He just did it. Did he clean the basement bathroom last night after our scheduled alone time? We literally schedule alone time at night when the kids go to bed. They don't have to go to sleep. They just have to be quiet in their bedrooms. That time to us is so dang crucial. And I honestly was like, where's Joel? Oh, he was downstairs cleaning the bathroom downstairs. Not because I use that bathroom, but because he just knows I like the bathrooms clean, and he didn't want to go play this weekend without making sure that I was fully set up. So there's that.
I feel like I'm taking more kids than I planned on. And maybe every time we've ever done like a pre-trip, pre-roll where we show all the bags, is like, is 90% of that stuff mine?
Probably.
Am I high maintenance?
I would definitely say not. You just work from home. That's what it is.
So clothes and essentials are in that. That's solely camera gear and a pillow. You don't go anywhere without that pillow.
No, Joel does not go anywhere without this pillow. Guys, do you even understand the amount of DMs that I have gotten over the flipping pillow? It is worth it. I had someone say that they bought 8 of them, one for each member of their family. It's going in the description. You're gonna want to try it out. Okay, and then what else? What's in this bag?
Clothes, and then this is like my computer, but also for like on the trail, you carry a bag so that all your lunch, because if you leave it on the 4-wheeler, it'll just get rattled to pieces.
Got it.
And so I keep it on my back, so my back just gets rattled to pieces and my food's good. It's good. I'm a human gimbal.
Joel, I am not over this. I am so in love with you.
I'm in love with you. But I gotta take this phone call.
I'm in love. Go ahead and answer it. I'm in love with the way you love me. Was it your car warranty?
No, a Google listing. Hello, and please don't hang up. Please. No.
Wait.
He just makes up ordinary things, saying, "Oh, it's fancy day, frisbee day," and he wore fancy clothes.
Lincoln Roy.
He makes things up. A friend of mine, at school, I don't remember his name, but he said that we're having gum tomorrow.
What does that have anything to do with fancy day? EFG. Tomorrow is gum day? Was today fancy day, or did you make that up?
I thought it was.
Were you the only one wearing fancy clothes today?
Yeah, and everyone kept calling me fancy.
What did your teacher say?
Well, she said I was fancy, and all the other teachers said I think I'm fancy.
Oh my gosh, Lincoln!
It was crazy.
It was Frisbee Day? Oh my word, Lincoln! You guys, he doesn't even care. He doesn't even care. That is what I love / drives me crazy about this boy. He doesn't care. But Lincoln, I hope that benefits you well in life. I really do. My little fancy Mancy. My fancy Mancy that loves his baby tiny utensils.
Look at this one.
Oh gosh. Speaking of fancy, guess what we get to do today? We are tuxedo shopping. Do you feel a little intimidated? How do you feel?
It looks so cool.
It looks so cool, doesn't it?
There you go.
Oh. His face, he's so excited.
Even with this outfit, it looks cool.
You like the jacket with that outfit? I think it's pretty cool too. We're sizing Boston for a tuxedo for his baptism. This is what he wanted for his birthday. So, good grief. Will you please tell everyone what you just whispered to me? What did you whisper to me?
I'm basically in heaven because all these tuxedos are awesome.
They are pretty awesome, aren't they? Boston said he likes that style right there in the middle. So that's what that's what he's sizing you for, huh? Lincoln is crushing it with this whole alphabet thing for school. So he just got done eating the watermelon over there. And what did you tell me?
On W Day, I can bring.
Oh, you fixed it.
W Day, I can bring watermelon.
He's so literally. He was telling me, and I said, let me go get the camera. He said, on Y Day, I'm gonna bring watermelon. But you corrected that yourself. Good job. You thought it was Y, but then you realized it was W.
And on Y Day, I'm gonna bring yo-yos.
Yo-yos. I seriously cannot believe you showed up in your fanciest clothes today. And I was really hoping on Y Day you would want to bring watermelon. Like, that makes me so happy. Those are the moments that I love being a parent, because kids are so freaking funny. Oh, they're funny. All right, guys. I think this is, I'm gonna call it a video. So I'm gonna call it a video, and we're gonna see you.
It's ABC week, Mom.
Yeah, I know that.
Have you had ABC week? No.
Oh, okay. Well, then there's the sass, and I don't appreciate that. So that's not the side of parenting I love.
Well, ABC week.
ABC week.